Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the email notifications in OnlyFans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to More. Now go to Settings and in the Settings section, go to Notifications. Now you can see email notifications. Click on it and if you click this button, it will be disabled. So it's quite simple. All you need to do is turn off the button and then your email notifications will be turned off. Go to onlyfans.com, go to More and go to Settings. Now go in the notifications and go to email notifications. Now you can click on it and then the email notifications will be turned off. So this was a video on how you can turn off or disable the email notifications in OnlyFans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.